Today we analyze MicroStrategy. This is not a first time I analyze the stock. If you follow crypto, you should also look at MicroStrategy, especially if you cannot buy Bitcoin easily. Okay, so you can also invest in Coinbase or MicroStrategy. This company mainly in actually not mainly, but they only invest in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin go up, by theory, it should go up. So what is going on right now? So let's say you don't have my indicator. You can look at this black trend line for weekly chart. So you can see what happened. Now you can see this one as a resistance when they are here. And here they serve as a support. And basically, this is a very beautiful structure. You can see the wick stopped there few times. And now we have a big green candle to going up. So now the thing is, what is going on with this stock? We analyze from the weekly chart first. So this stock, first thing we look at is we have some purple candle here. The purple candle here is my indicator called OBOS. Purple candle mean oversold. When the purple finished, and there's one candle go above the highest point of the highest price of this last purple. This means confirm this purple is done, and this is the way to start to go up. The bonus indicator here is the red line. The red line, first thing, they're going up. Okay. The second thing is this purple, this candle, basically, when they go above, it's better they go also above this red line. Is it clear? So when the red line change the direction, it means this is the end of the bull market. It will start to go up. But one thing I want you up, but before I go to that things first, YM chip entry, you see a bunch of institutions come in when they are screaming for the Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, basically they drop before the Bitcoin. It's very interesting. The investor already run away from here. Not the peak here, but the first peak here. They already run away. You can see clearly on weekly chart. You see here YM chippers. They run away, run away, run away. And until now, they have a bunch of institutions coming in. One thing I want to remind you, the blue line here, the blue line here can serve as a support and resistance. Since the blue line is still going downward, although I tell you for weekly chart, we look at this red line, they will go up because weekly chart is one candle, 1 week. Okay, so it will go up. And since the blue line still continue to go down, we don't know yet. This one will go above the blue or not. But you can still buy. Why? Because even they stop at the blue right now, let's say they go up here, the blue right now is here, they can still go more than 200 by theory, okay, by theory. So let's see how it goes. And then the money here, they seems like crossing above the zero. This is weekly chart. I want to show you one more indicator, my secret weapon called YM up down. The YM up down, do we have a signal yet for up? Because this signal is very powerful for long time frame. When we look at weekly chart, you can see the down basically is the market peak and they go all the way down. When they start to have an up, basically they indicate you where approximately is the turning point. Okay? And then they all they go up, we have a down. We don't have the up yet. But can we still add some position for MicroStrategy if you don't have anything? Or if you have something, what should you do? So the first thing I want to tell you for weekly chart is today is not yet Friday. Today is Thursday. So it's not yet, oh, actually, yeah, it's not yet Friday. So it's not yet confirmed. It's not yet closing this candle. Not yet. So you wait on Friday. If this Friday, this candle is exactly the same like this, basically, this means this is the start of the rebounds first for weekly chart. Okay. And now we go back to daily chart. For the audience who comment this MicroStrategy, I hope you did watch the video for the crypto because I mentioned before they start to raise, I mentioned, hey, crypto is going up. So I hope you watch that one and I hope you can catch the race for MicroStrategy. Back to the point right now, we do first thing, I don't want you to look at up down first. The first thing I look at is this three line, especially the blue line. Look at the direction. The direction is tilting upward. So does it look good? Yes. And they go above three line. Okay. Although it's not in sequence, but still this is a very wonderful site. Another good site is YM chip entry, a bunch of here. Okay. And the YM big buy, it tell you the big volume trade. What are they doing? When they go above zero, this is strong. When they under zero is weak. Now it's green. Green above zero. This is net buy and it's strong market. Okay. So right now it's strong market and money coming in. We have a bunch of money. But one thing, do we have a crazy run now? Or we are still kind of struggling in the bottom. Although I tell you, this start to turning up. So this is still the beginning of the turning point. They will start to raise, right? So now, first thing, we have up already. And we do have a bunch of YM chip entry. All the indicator is tick, 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 tick. So if you don't have this stock, I don't recommend you to do any trade, by the way. This is only the insights from the chart. The chart telling us with my indicator, they're telling you this stock will go up. Is it clear? So first thing, we have all the institution for weekly chart, for daily chart, and now we have an up signal. And the blue line is tilting upward. Okay, but I want to remind you one thing. Will this stock now go up by 6.7%? Will this stock have a raise like this? Like this one? Okay, this moment, not yet. Not yet. Because we need this three line to be in the same direction, minimum. So the red go up, the blue go up, the purple go up. So if you look carefully here, what's the direction of the purple? It's still going downward. Okay? And another thing, although I tell you this one will go up, but another how fast they go up is another key question, right? 1%, 10%, or 100%, or 200%. They make a huge difference. So I want you to think about this. So will they go up? Yes. How much they will go up? Will they go up like this? I want you to look at another indicator called YM chippers. This is a very special indicator to tell you institution holding. I want this stock when they have a big raise like this, super bullish like this, usually they hold mainly by institution like this area. Look at here. When they have a bunch of green, this indicate you the bottom zone. Okay, they still want to shake the bottom, the individual out. Does it make sense? So if you want the raise like this, it will take some time. You see, the length of this zone and the length of this zone is right now is much shorter than before. You see, the green part here compared to here. I mean, this hold by a lot of individual, although institution come in, but still the percentage rise is not enough. Okay, but it's very common at the bottom. They need to shake people out. Okay, so for example, like I just give you some example. For example, like here, look at 2023 here, here. So when they have a lot of green, it's quite frustrating. Instead of a big raise like this, a big raise like this. It's not yet that stage. Will they go up? Yes. But will they go up like a spaceship like this? The answer is no. Not this moment. Maybe later. I don't know. But not this moment. So this is the update today. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I need your support to give me more like, more like. And thank you for offering me to suggest me to look at the micro strategy. I hope this video can help you to get some more insights. But let's say you don't have my indicator, you can still draw this kind of trend line. Last video, I also mentioned this kind of trend line. You can do it by yourself and to have a roughly idea where are we right now. Are we still in the upper trend? Are we still in the downward trend? any support, any resistance. This is the basic. And in the future, like every single video, I will mention some trick, technical analysis skill without my indicator because I want you to be benefit. I want you to learn something from my video. I want to share my knowledge with you apart from my indicator. Okay, it doesn't matter you buy my indicator or not, but I highly recommend you have a strategy to trade, not by guessing. When when people ask me, oh, analyze this stock, for me, it's easy because I have my indicator. But especially some very, very fast stock, let's say CLWV or Eco or MicroStrategy or other stock, some stock, they move so fast and you don't have my indicator. And I really want you or share with you how to trade with that. Okay, because those stock move so fast, you don't know how to stop gain or you don't know how to stop loss. It's quite dangerous because those stock is not for long-term holding. Okay, so this is the update today. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and I see you next video. Bye.